Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today, Aglio di Olio. Basically, we're doing olive oil, garlic pasta. Gonna add some different flavors to it. Ain't gonna make it totally traditional. It's gonna be delicious. That is next on Cooking with Corey. Alright peeps, our ingredients are spaghetti, garlic, parsley, I'm going to add some basil, I'm going to add some parmesan, I'm going to add some lemon juice, red chili flakes, and obviously some olive oil. Those are our ingredients. Alright peeps, it's time to build this delicious Aglio di Olio. Got our boiling water going, heavily salted, a little bit of olive oil. We got our saute pan, medium-low heat because we're just starting this, and we want to start in a cold pan, believe it or not, and we're going to add a good half cup of olive oil to it, and we got our other, got some basil, parsley, got good old garlic, salt, lemon, and pepper. So now what we got going on here is our pan, and it is a cold pan, medium low heat. We're going to add the garlic to this. All that garlic in there. It's going good. You don't want no sizzle right away on this because we want that to leach through that oil, because that's going to be part of our sauce. We'll start building the rest next. Alright guys, we're back, and this is your sauce. We're starting to get a little light brown on our delicious garlic. So we are going to add as much pepper flake as you want. It's probably a good teaspoon there. And just to give it that oil a little flavor, I'm going to add just a little bit of basil. Just start that out. And it's going to spit at you. It's going to be all over, but this is where we want to be right now. Now we're getting that flavor of the pepper flake and the basil going throughout. Now we are going to add our pasta to this. You want to bring some water with you? Bring some water at you. Bring it all with you. Alright, so we got our pasta in there, looking good. It's going to stop the garlic from frying, so to speak. Alright, now, pause, and get it to come together. We might need to add a little bit more of our pasta water. I don't know that yet. We're going to add a heavy pinch of parsley, and then we're going to add the rest of our basil to this mix, and we are going to add a pinch of salt and obviously fresh cracked black pepper. And some fresh squeezed lemon. Put your hand over it like this so you don't get your seeds in there. Squeeze away in there like so. Then we're going to give her a toss. Around here. Alright, it's looking good. There's some color in there. We got plenty of flavor in there. We'll give it a little bit more salt. And you can see our comes together quite well. Now I'm going to do something that's totally not traditional right now. I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan to this mix. I think the flavor goes good with all that. So I'm going to add some Parmesan to it. Like so. And we will give her another dot. And there it is. Simplest pasta you can ever make in your kitchen. Add what ingredients you want. Take out what you want. We'll plate it next on Cooking with Corey. Right, our pasta water is going. So hey, put some pasta to that. Woo, we got a nice little fog going on there. Alright, that's all good. Anyway, that's our pasta. There we go. We'll turn it around, get it all going in there good. And get that mixed in there. Bring it back to a boil. It won't be long, guys. Alright guys, just plate this deliciousness up and it is going to be absolutely delicious. Easiest pasta sauce you'll ever make. There we go. Get your big old hunk and between your tongues like this. Hey, I cut my teeth at Macaroni Grill so I can twirl some pasta, trust me. As you can tell, it's a pretty good pasta twirl. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, looking good so far, don't you guys think? But we gotta make it look a little better. So we'll add some more Parmesan to that. Actually, 2 of them. It's not traditional, so yeah, hey, if you want to be traditional, don't be doing that. You get in trouble with the traditional guys. And here we go with some parsley. Looking good. Got that other half a lemon. Gonna give it a little squeeze of fresh lemon over that. That will wake up the flavors a little bit. Hey, look what I have left. Nice little sprig of basil. And he will look just fine right there. And Jen's gonna enjoy her supper, I guarantee you. She's gonna love that. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube and Roku. So go check me out on Roku also. I will see you guys out. Have a good one.